I'm the actor for the team Pered. Right, girls? Yeah. Right now we're in the music and video workshop with the kids.
So right now we're at the music workshop led by Paul and Noel.
Hi, we are
Macy,
and David.
and we are doing a workshop with our kids.
Right, and we are making maracas.
Alright, so today, the kids right now actually they're making maracas using water balls, beans.
And what we're doing, we're making maracas because like we're all gonna make music together.
Basically, you know, it's a music workshop, so we wanted the kids to take something back from Kids Village. Also, we learned a new game called My Sign Your Sign. It's basically a rhythmic game with clapping and signs and memorization, stuff like that. So the kids had a lot of fun.
You give me eyes so I may see the wonderful things you make for me. You give me hands so I may reach and share your love to those in need. You give me ears so I could hear your voice that tells me you are near. You give me voice that I can raise as I worship your name in praise. Whatever comes my way, whatever people may say, I will continue to move. I move, move, move by God. I'm gonna move, move, move for God. I'm gonna move, move, move with God. And I will proclaim the greatness of my God. I will share, I will obey, I will move for you, my God. I will share, I will obey, I will move for you, my God. I will move, 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 my God. I'm gonna move, move, move for God. I'm gonna move, move, move with God. And I will proclaim the greatness of my God.